Hi everyone, welcome to Daphenity. Today we are at Roaring Camp.
These are the train tickets, but sadly the QR code doesn't work here. Here's the train coming our way to show us one of the tallest and oldest trees. In this 75-minute train tour, we'll explore the beauty of the Redwood Forest. The train is completely full, so making an early reservation is highly recommended. This time, I'm able to bring my phone to take pictures. On the way, we saw a banana slug. It looked kind of gross, but it's really interesting when you learn about it. The train itself is more than 130 years old. That's older than my parents' age and my age put together. The air is cold but fresh. It feels really good to be outside. After we got back, we explored other places too. It was amazing. We fed the ducks with duck food that we bought from the gift shop. Then we went to the visitor center and looked inside. They had different animal fur, including skunk fur, coyote fur, and deer fur. The volunteer was very nice and explained everything to me. After exploring the visitor center, we decided to walk into the Redwood Forest on foot. We learned a lot of things, like how you can tell how old a tree is by counting its rings. Some of the trees are more than 1,000 years old. I love going everywhere with my family. I hope we get to have another adventure like this someday. Thank you for watching Daphenity. Bye!